Don't you think this is starting to wear on me? You've been raining down like hell. I'm weak. I have tried to give you my soul, but you can't love something you own. It's too late to repair what we made. What can I do? Time flashed by and I woke up on the other side of the...
G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anna. Hope everybody has had a good week. I am coming in at you today with a monthly box of happy. Yep, today I received my SewHayleyJane to let us see what is in this month, being August, and the wonderful delights that Hayley really beautifully chooses for everybody. Righty ho, so we always start off with the sunshine yellow tissue paper. Let us see what is inside. First up we have one of the 4 fat quarters, and yeah, this month's box is a little different as fat quarters go. Next up we have this design, and yeah, kind of reminds me a little bit of pebbles along the ocean beach front. Thirdly, this is my favourite one, and little polka dots going on there. And the 4th fat quarter, and yeah, kind of like little thin paint, little kind of blobs. Not entirely sure how to describe that one. Maybe. Here are all 4 of the fat quarters put together, and yeah, they work really well. I'm thinking of maybe making some little baggies, or I could cut them in 4s again and do a little patchwork, and maybe something for the kitties, a little kitty cushion bed. Next up we are on book 45, and Hayley always does a wonderful book here, and this is called Spots and Dots. Hello. Hayley always starts off with a hello and an introduction, talks through the fabrics of the 3 boxes, so the 3 boxes being the mini, the classic, which I have always been subscribed to, and the luxury. Next up, from the Lemon Pitch, we have these sew-in labels, and they say, well, I do love spots. And yeah, they're super cool and fun. You could either use them yourselves or pass them on as gifts. Next up we have, I believe it's candy, white chocolate. I do not eat white chocolate, and so I'll pass those over to a friend. And yeah, they have sprinkles on, and yeah, it's always good that Hayley does put in a little treat for those that like them. This month includes a grey invisible zipper, and yeah, great for the smaller projects, maybe some craft projects, practical items. This red has a mind of its own. Okay, so we have a very close clue to what the main fabric is, looking at this Gutterman thread, and it's polyester, and it is 100 meters. My little one, eh? He wants to join in as well. Okay guys, it is that time. The main fabric. What is it going to be this month? Have a little sneaky peek. What is it? What is it? Oh, it's fabric! Ta-da! It is such a pretty colourway, and it has these raised little sparkle dots on them. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit closer there for you. Really like that. Okay, so they are called Dewdrops, and there are two colourways, blackberry or denim. I believe I have the denim colourway. I love me a double gauze. It is such a comfortable soft fabric, and yeah, dresses, PJs, tunic, tees, and you can create lots of wonderful garments with the double gauze. I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing what is in this month, August, of the SewHayleyJane box. Let me know what you guys are going to sew in the main fabric, or what you are going to do with the fat quarters. Yeah, so amongst the traffic and the breeze and the pigeons attempting to nest in the tree, that is usually always unsuccessful, get the right word. I just blame the heat, guys. It's really high heat today. There's no way I could actually go in the conservatory. Yeah, I think it's hit 100 or gone over 100, but outside I'm in the shade, and it's probably in the late 70s, early 80s, and it's going to get hotter. That's okay, no worries. If I am outside, I'm in the shade, which is all good. Yeah, there is no way I can actually go out in the main sun. I would literally burn. Yeah, just with like a few seconds. I can actually burn through clothes as well, so I have to be so careful. I'm so super sensitive. Well, my skin is. So I think I'll be used to it with other hot countries that I've lived in, but you know, it just goes like that sometimes, and no matter where the heat is in the world, sometimes we're just a little bit more susceptible to it. Okay guys, so give me a thumbs up please, because it really does help, and maybe a comment if you would like to add that as well, or even just a little smiley face thingy. I know YouTube has taken that off, but I guess on the cell phone you'll be able to still do that, because it really helps, and it helps with letting YouTube know, so then they can actually share my videos, and then hopefully have a little bit of more people coming traffic wise to my channel. Okay guys, so I will see you tomorrow for Friday sews, and yeah, just a little catch up with my sewing week and what I have been up to. Not as much sewing, hopefully going to do some today, but yes, it's been kind of deep clean chores. I know, right? But they do have to be completed, and then that way I can kind of get then to the sewing. Okay, let me know what you guys have been up to. Thank you so much for all your support, and see you tomorrow. Thank you. And today it is happy month of, no, that came out wrong. G'day everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Anna and today coming in at you with noise. Stay. You don't have to be in a flap about it. Stay. Stay. No. He does not want to stay. Red has a mind of its own. Now barking dogs, clattering of a truck. You think in all this scorching heat, people would be kind of out of the way.
Which is all good.